We all know how challenging it is when your baby has a stuffy nose. The combination of chilly weathers, coughs, runny noses can be a lot to manage. I'm Christine, I'm a mum of 2, and I'm here today to provide you with some of my favorite tips to help your baby to get through this frosty season. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, push the bell button to get notified to be always up to date with the newest videos. As you may have heard, babies and toddlers tend to catch colds often because their immune systems are still learning to fight off all the common viruses. A blocked nose can be quite uncomfortable for your little one, especially when they're breastfeeding or if they have a pacifier or binky, because it makes it so much harder for them to breathe. We have collected some easy and quick tips from parents you might want to try out. Some parents swear by saline drops as a game changer. Saline drops are basically salt water that you can squirt in your baby's nose to help clear out the snotty gunk. They're super easy to use, won't break the bank, and you can pick them up at your local pharmacy. If you're stuck at home and you're looking for a quick natural remedy, you might be surprised that putting a couple drops of breast milk into your baby's nose can help break up mucus. And its antiviral properties might even help treat their cold. Remember to always check with your doctor before you use any home remedies, just to make sure it's safe for your little one. Once your baby's mucus is loosened, it's time to gently get it out. There are plenty of products that can help, and here at Haakaa we have 3 awesome options for you. All our nasal aspirators come with 2 different soft silicone tips, so you can pick the right one for your baby's age. They are gentle on your baby's nostrils and provide a comfy experience. 2 of our manual nasal aspirators are made of 100% silicone. They are simple to use and super easy to clean. Our easy squeezy bulb syringe has only 2 parts. Just pop the tip on, squeeze the bulb, insert in your baby's nose and release to suction the snot out of your baby's nose. The second option we have here is our silicone penguin nasal aspirator. The main difference between the penguin nasal aspirator and the bulb syringe is that the penguin has a special patent designed valve that stops mucus from flowing back into your baby's nose when you squeeze it. It also comes with a small brush that helps cleaning the valve. Another option is our baby nasal aspirator. The big difference is that this one is electric. It's quick and strong, just flip it on and it gets the job done. It is rechargeable, so no need to worry about replacing any batteries. It is also quiet and a breeze to use. All our aspirators have measurement markers, so you know exactly how much mucus has been collected. They're perfect for home use or if you're on the go. Now that your baby's nose is clear, you hopefully have a much happier little one on your hands. I would love to know how you clear your baby's stuffy, runny nose. Comment below and share your tips with me.